5 Netball attacking drills for court domination. Since there are two main positions as well as the team members that play on the scoring half of the court that focus primarily on attacking in netball, mastering netball attacking drills that focus on this skill are important to grasp for the overall success of the team. Once these skills are understood, they can be used individually or combined for team attack lines. Here is a collection of individual netball attacking drills exercises to get everyone involved and on board with the processes of attacking, and how to outwit and outmaneuver even the best players. Each team member can benefit from learning these techniques. Weaving drill. To simply practice fancy feet work and changing paces quickly in order to be the most effective attacker possible. Start with a weaving drill. Place cones in a line approximately 5 feet from one another. Line the players up and blow a whistle to begin the circuit. Have each player weave between the cones using their outside legs to push off. Once the player has gotten to the end of the line, they will turn and return to the line completing the cone drill again. Time the whole team the first time though, and see if you can beat your time. Front cut. 1 worker, 1 defender, 1 feeder, and cones can be used during this exercise. The cones are used as a point to drive toward. The worker and defender start square to that of the feeder's position. With the defender on the inside of the worker will run forward, stop quickly then sprint forward to cut the defender off. Half turn. Again, you'll want 3 players in the same positions as well as cones for this half turn exercise. Cones will be used exactly the same as before, as a point to drive to. Starting from behind and to the side of the feeder, the worker and defender will stand next to each other, but instead of driving forward in a sprint, the worker will half turn backward to throw off the defender, pivot back forward, and drive off. This drill works on speed, agility, and reaction time. Straight sprint. 3 players and cones are used for this drill as well. While the feeder, defender, and worker stand in the same position as the previous drill, the feeder will toss the ball up to begin the drill, just as before. In order to fake out the defender, the worker will sprint forward at an angle in order to cut off the player and receive the ball. Cone trap. This netball attacking drill has 3 players as well, but instead of a feeder, the third member is a defender. While standing 10 feet apart in between 2 cones, the attacker will try to dodge forward to try and block the worker that is standing approximately 15 feet away. The defender will attempt to stop the attacker but has to do so in less than 3 seconds. This is a perfect drill to prepare for games since you can only possess the ball for 3 seconds.